Welcome to Learn a Concept series. These videos are generally short and give a quick introduction to a concept. Learn something new today. Our today's topic of learning is backpropagation. It is a foundational concept for neural networks and is a must-know for all data scientists working on deep learning. I am Praveen Kumar and I work on emerging technologies with a primary focus on artificial intelligence and machine learning. I'm also an intraday trader in the stock markets. I'm excited to share my knowledge and hope you benefit from them. Be sure to subscribe as I keep updating my content and add more videos. I hope you find them useful. Let's first understand the concept with a real-world example. You may remember playing the game Guess the Number. The game asks you to guess a number between 1 to 100. You guess the number repeatedly until you get the answer right. So let's start by guessing a random number, say 22. It's too low. We will have to increase the number. So let's take a high number, 78. Now it is way too high. So we can try a low number like 39 but above 22. It is only slightly lower now, which means we are getting close. Great going. 48. It is slightly higher. This means my number is above 39 but below 48. Now we are really close. 42. We got it right and we did it. We kept improving our answer based on the feedback from the program. This is nothing but backpropagation. So, what is backpropagation in data science? In deep learning, we compute and predict outcomes based on given input parameters, which is called feed-forward mechanism. When the predicted value is not matching the expected value, the difference, also known as cost or error, is sent back to the input layer for correction. This mechanism is called backpropagation and is a powerful learning method used for training a neural network. Understanding the backpropagation is quite simple. Let's feed pictures of motorcycles to an untrained neural network. Since it starts by assigning random weights for calculation, we don't know if they are right. The model may show the output as car instead of a motorbike, which is wrong. The error is backpropagated and the weights are adjusted to get the correct output. This process is repeated with more and more input data until the model starts predicting accurately for new scenarios. So, how does the model adjust the weights to get the correct values? For this, there are methods like gradient descent, mean square error, which are covered in other videos of the Learn a Concept series. Hope you learned the concept of backpropagation in a simple and easy manner. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and comment today. Goodbye and have a nice day.